students, last lecture I have been discussed about writing skills. If you have been seen first lecture to last lecture, there are 3 sections, some topics I have been completed by them. But in this lecture, those next topic given in our textbook or those last topic given in our textbook, the topic was that section 4 was the novel, and in this lecture I have been start this topic. The topic name is History of Novel. If you have been seen or you have been read some books or some lyric of English, you ultimately remember some writers can be write some dramas, some poets, some novels. But when these all things that all writers can be write, there are something can be coming in front of, or those knowledge they given by you, that knowledge are not sufficient. But when this novel or any other things they have been prescribed in front of you, ultimately you recognize or you remember what is the actual story of that things. म्हणजे बघा त्या ठिकाणी काय सांगितलंय की सुरुवातीच्या काळामध्ये बरंच त्या ठिकाणी लिहिलं जात होतं, त्यानंतर ड्रामा आले, पोएट आल्या, नॉवेल आल्या. when these novels or dramas or poetry come, ultimately every people can be remember what exactly that person or that writer can be remember on it. म्हणजे रायटरला त्या ठिकाणी त्यातून काय त्या ठिकाणी सांगायचे हे काय येते त्या ठिकाणी आपल्या लक्षात आलेलं होतं. In that view they say, or if you have been seen the 11 textbook, they have been given the information about the dramas, and if you have been seen our 12th course textbook, they have been given about the information about novel. If any novel can be given in front of you, how to that novel? If you have been read some novels, ultimately you recognize what is the actual concept of novel and way this novel can be written by them. If you have been seen or if you have been remember the information about the novel, novel is a platform or is a sequence of events. There are many events can be given in front of you and the story can be built up by there. If you have been seen the novels, if you have been read the novels, there are ultimately the plot can be developed by there. म्हणजे जर तुम्ही नॉवेल्स जर बघितले तर त्या नॉवेल्स मध्ये काय सांगितले त्यांनी, प्लॉट कॅन बी बिल्ट अप बाय देयर. इव्हेंट, द सिक्वेन्स ऑफ इव्हेंट्स कॅन बी प्रिस्क्राइब इन नॉवेल. त्या ठिकाणी काय नॉवेल मध्ये काय केले त्यांनी, देयर आर द सिक्वेन्स, which thing sequence, there are some events can be happen and they have been prescribed that all things by there. म्हणजे त्या सर्व गोष्टींचं काय केलेलं आहे त्यांनी त्या ठिकाणी वर्णन केलेलं सांगितलेलं आहे. if you have seen the textbook, there they gives the information about the novel. When any novel they given by in front of you, before that what is the concept of novel or what is meant by novel, they also giving the information on it. See in our textbook there are page number 173. जर आपण आपलं टेक्स्टबुक जर बघितलं पेज नंबर 173, there are also they giving the information about history of novel and when that information they given by here की ज्यावेळेस माहिती ते त्या ठिकाणी देत आहे, what exactly they say, how to this novel can be coming in front of readers what actually or which kinds of information they given by there. If you have been seen the graduation or post-graduation book, there are different kinds of novels they have been given in your syllabus. In your 12th standard book also they given some novels, but little bit story. There are some episodes they given in front of you. तुमच्या समोर त्यांनी काय केलेले छोट्या प्रमाणावरती एपिसोड जे आहेत that episodes they taking in front of you in study साठी त्या ठिकाणी काय तुमच्या समोर ठेवलेले आहेत. But actual novels when I have been seen before that, what is the history of that novel? That history I have been seeing firstly. In that information they say the 18th century has dictated English literature. What information they given in 18th century? There are some gift. English literature or the 18th century can be given the gift by English literature to entirely new forms which are without any tracks in the ancient classical heritage. Means you also remember, if you have been seeing the period of English literature, there are the classical age, they say there are some gifts they given by there, and they say in that classical heritage they have been given the gift by the English literature. One of those was the periodical essay and other was the novel. That two gifts we also saying by here. Which two gifts they given by here or two gifts information they say first it was the periodical essay. The periodical essay, and second is the novel. Second form is the novel. First form is the periodical essay and second form is the novel. And where that information they given by there, they say both of the forms, especially the novel, for the spirit of 18th century. Means those writers can be worked in 18th century. They say this novel form they have been specially called by the spirit. म्हणजे जो जे स्पिरिट जे आहे त्या स्पिरिट किंवा त्या काळातील जे रायटर जे आहे त्यांनी त्या लिखाणातून हा जो फॉर्म जो आहे that form they have been given in front of people. After that they say as the age of intellectual sentimental means bhavnik, which word they given by here, there are they use the word that is the sentimental means bhavnik, and after that they given one word is that the realistic means they say वास्तववादी things. काय सांगितले realistic means वास्तववादी आणि sentimental means भावनिक. That episodes they given in front of you and they say and try to interact the readers which would help them more purposeful the virtues of life. How to our life can be viewed and way the people can be live his life, which views can be applied by there. They also giving the information on it. Means they say if you have been built up with your knowledge, how to that knowledge can be built up by there, and you also remember every person can be live his life. When that person can be live his life, how to his life can be live, which criteria can be applied to his life living style. They also given the information on it. After that they say there are they interact the readers which will help them to more purposeful and virtuous of the life. Since of them the origin of novel has been weighed properly to the today's recognized as the most dominant literary genres. There are one concept they also say in front of you, which concept they given by their literary genres. Means those literary work they also prescribe in front of you. That work are also most important, and how to every person's, or if you have been seeing the writing structure, they have been saying the literary journals is the most important or most unique things. In that they say this novel can be built up by very well made by dear. म्हणजे त्यामध्ये त्यांनी काय सांगितलंय की हे जे नॉवेल जे आहे हाऊ टू दिस नॉवेल कॅन बी कमिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ पीपल. म्हणजे लोकांसमोर कशा पद्धतीने त्या ठिकाणी ते नॉवेल आलंय त्या नॉवेलची काय दिलेली त्यांनी ती माहिती त्या ठिकाणी सांगितलेली आहे. इफ यू हॅव बीन सीन दिस होल पॅराग्राफ, what exactly the writer can be saying to you? Writer can be saying in 18th century there are the two form coming in front of you, literary form. Which two literary form they say? The first one was the periodic essay and second one is the novel. And where this novel can be coming in front of you, which kinds of view they apply by this novel? They say there are the sentimental and the realistic view they apply by there, and people can be view this life very well by there. After that, another things also they say the novel is relatively long narration fiction. We describe the inanimate human, the experiences normally in the prose form. After that, another things also they say what exactly given in that novel. नॉवेल मध्ये नेमकं काय दिलेले या संदर्भात काय केलेली त्यांनी माहिती दिलेली. इन दैट दे से इन द नॉवेल फॉर्म they have been described or they also narrate the intimate human experience normally in prose form. In prose form, what exactly they have been given? They have been the experience. They also normally built up by there. The present English words novel is described from the Italian novelia meaning new. How to this word novel word coming in front of you, they also giving the information by there. म्हणजे हा जो नॉवेल जो वर्ड जो आहे तो नॉवेल वर्ड तुमच्या समोर कशा पद्धतीने त्या ठिकाणी आला that things information also they given by there. In that they say this novel word present or this novel words coming in front of you, novel is described or derived from the Italian novelia. The Italian word, which Italian word? They also say the Italian word novelia. The Italian word novelia. Depending on these words, the meaning in Italian, what is the exact meaning of this word? That is the new. New words. Novel means new. The novel narrates as the story established in the more details of time, place, nature and the peoples and their minds. In new way, the new kinds of things or the new kinds of technology can be used. The novel can be prescribed in front of you. ज्यावेळेस नॉवेल तुमच्या समोर त्या ठिकाणी मांडलं जात आहे, हाऊ टू दिस नॉवेल can be prescribed in front of you, which kinds of tendency, which kinds of technology can be given in front of you. They are also giving the information by here. In that they say the new place or the new things they also built up in this novel, and which kinds of information they given by that novel they also telling by with us. म्हणजे त्या नॉवेल मध्ये way this novel can be built up or the novel can be coming in front of people, which new things can be coming, they also giving the information by here. In that they say way the novel can be narrated in front of people, there are the details of time, which things first things they telling the details of time, after that place, next one nature and the peoples and their minds. What exactly they say? The peoples and their mind. How do people can live his life? Which kinds of tendency or which kinds of mind people can be used? They also giving the information on it. Regarding to him, they also tell us something by there. After that they say their natures and their activities. They say which kinds of natures can be used, and after that they say which kinds of activities can be prescribed in that novel. They also saying on it. म्हणजे या नॉवेल मध्ये नेमकं त्यांनी काय प्रिस्क्राइब त्या ठिकाणी केलंय, what exactly they have been prescribed by that novel. They also saying on it. त्यांनी ती जी माहिती जी आहे ती माहिती काय केलेली आपल्या समोर त्या ठिकाणी ठेवलेली, आणि ते काय सांगताय की नॉवेल ज्यावेळेस लिहिलं जातंय ती नॉवेल लिहित असताना देयर आर द टाइम, वेळ असेल, एखादं ठिकाण असेल, किंवा तेथील जे नेचर्स असेल, किंवा एनी पीपल्स माइंड्स व्ह्यू, म्हणजे कोणताही व्यक्ती असेल त्याचं जे माइंड आहे त्याचा जो व्ह्यू जो आहे दॅट व्ह्यू ही ऑल्सो एक्सप्लेन बाय देयर. मीन्स हाऊ टू पीपल कॅन बी लिव्ह हिज लाईफ अँड विच क्रायटेरिया विच टेंडन्सी कॅन बी यूज, दे ऑल्सो गिव्हिंग दॅट इन्फॉर्मेशन ऑन इट. म्हणजे त्यामध्ये त्यांनी काय केलंय, ही जी माहिती जी आहे ती माहिती काय केलेली आहे, प्रिस्क्राइब त्या ठिकाणी केलेली आहे. आफ्टर दॅट दे से the creates the pictures of society of that time, and in that novel what exactly or which kinds of information they given, which kinds of pictures can be happen within that time in society. म्हणजे सोसायटी मध्ये त्या काळामध्ये नेमकं कशा पद्धतीचं जीवन लोक जगतायत, that actual pictures they also prescribed by here. म्हणजे त्यांनी ते जे पिक्चर जे आहे that pictures they also prescribed. After that another things they say, in that they say create the pictures of society of that time. Novel makes the life easier to understand the drama and the poetry. After that there are one sentence they say novel makes life easier to understand in the drama and the poetry. Means they say the novel is the easier in the form, in the comparison form of drama and poetry. म्हणजे पोएट्री असेल किंवा ड्रामा असेल, इफ यू हॅव बीन कंपेअर दॅट ऑल थिंग्स, म्हणजे त्या सर्व गोष्टींची जर कंपॅरिझन जर केली तर काय सांगताय, नॉवेल इज द इझियर फॉर्म टू अंडरस्टँड बाय देयर. म्हणजे हा जो नॉवेल जो आहे नॉवेल त्या ठिकाणी काय सांगितलं त्यांनी, इझियर फॉर्म त्या ठिकाणी सांगितलेला आहे. आफ्टर दॅट दे से इन मॉडर्न इरा नॉवेल हॅज अडॉप्टेड द लिटररी prose. In modern era or modern days, what exactly they say, the novel has been adapted in literary prose. Means how to this prose can be written by there, or which literary things are the importance, that all things are included by in a novel. In a short way, if you have been thinking about in this paragraph, जर आपण या पॅराग्राफचा जर विचार जर केला, दोज इन्फॉर्मेशन दे हॅव बीन गिवन बाय द नॉवेल. म्हणजे जी माहिती त्यांनी कशाशी रिलेटेड दिली रे, नॉवेलशी रिलेटेड त्या ठिकाणी दिलेली आहे. त्यामध्ये त्यांना काय सांगितलंय त्यांनी, व्हॉट एक्झॅक्टली दे से विच काइंड्स ऑफ थिंग्स कॅन बी प्रिस्क्राइब इन नॉवेल. म्हणजे नॉवेल मध्ये नेमकं काय प्रिस्क्राइब केलेलं असतं. दे हॅव बीन से द टाइम, प्लेस, द माइंड ऑफ पर्सन, that all things are prescribed by there. And they say in novel what is happen in our surrounding, what is happen in our society, that all things they also given by there. म्हणजे त्या ठिकाणी काय, त्या सर्व ज्या गोष्टी ज्या आहेत आपल्या सभोवतालची जी सोसायटी असेल किंवा जो समाज जो आहे त्या समाजामध्ये नेमकं काय चाललंय किंवा समाज कशा पद्धतीने त्या ठिकाणी त्यांचं लाईफस्टाईल जीवन जगतोय, that all things they cannot be imagined or they cannot be imaginary things can be prescribed by there, but the social things those happen in our surrounding, that all things they also prescribed by in that novel. त्या नॉवेल मध्ये त्यांनी काय त्या सर्व ज्या गोष्टी ज्या आहेत त्या गोष्टी काय केलेल्या आहेत, प्रिस्क्राइब त्या ठिकाणी केलेली आहे, काय दिली आहे माहिती त्या ठिकाणी दिलेली आहे. आफ्टर दॅट अनदर थिंग्स ऑल्सो, आफ्टर दॅट अनदर कन्सेप्ट, ये you have been seen some novels. I think English students cannot be read the English novel, but only you have been seen that book regarding those pictures can be given in first page. म्हणजे जे पिक्चर तुमच्या समोर त्या ठिकाणी फर्स्ट पेजला त्या ठिकाणी दिलेलं रिगार्डिंग टू हिम दॅट ऑल इन्फॉर्मेशन दे गिवन बाय दॅट नॉवेल. त्या नॉवेल मध्ये काय दिलेले असते त्याच्याशी रिगार्डिंग जी इन्फॉर्मेशन जी आहे ही इन्फॉर्मेशन त्या ठिकाणी दिलेली असते. अँड दॅट पॉइंट ऑफ व्ह्यू that novel can be looked up by here. After that they say the novel as a literature has a history of 2000 years. Some writers can be given in that novel the history of 2000 years ago. What is happening 2000 years before, that all histories they tell us by here. After that they say among the early procedures of the novel, the collection tales known as the Greek romance dating from the 2nd and 16th century may top of the list. And in 16th century, this novel can be coming in front of people, and people also get the information. Well, you also remember, if anything happens, that things cannot be directly coming in front of you. म्हणजे ती गोष्ट डायरेक्टली आपल्या समोर त्या ठिकाणी आलेली नसते. There are some things happen, there are some incidents happen, one by one that things can be prescribed in front of you. म्हणजे कोणती गोष्ट काय एका नंतर एक काहीतरी इन्सिडेंट घडत असतात त्याच्यानंतर तुमच्या समोर त्या ठिकाणी आलेली असते. डायरेक्टली दॅट थिंग्स कॅनॉट बी कमिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. आपल्या समोर त्या ठिकाणी काही आलेली नसते. रिगार्डिंग टू हिम they say in that way that things can be coming, or novel can be started, or the information about novel can be started by the 16th century, and totally in 18th century that novel can be coming in front of people. लोकांसमोर ती जी नॉवेल आहे नॉवेल त्या ठिकाणी आली काय दिली त्यांनी माहिती दिली. Those imaginative and delightful stories of ideal love and the marvelous advantages they affected the creative writing in next thousands years. They say which things can be given by that novel. They say there are the imaginative and delightful stories also they prescribe by there, and there are when that all stories they prescribe they have been creative writing of next thousands years. म्हणजे काही 100 वर्षानंतर त्यांनी काय केले त्या क्रिएटिव्ह स्टोरीज आहेत त्या क्रिएटिव्ह स्टोरीज दे गिवन इन फ्रंट ऑफ पीपल्स, अँड ये द रायटिंग कॅन बी स्टार्ट. यू ऑल्सो रिमेंबर, तुम्हालाही त्या ठिकाणी काय माहिती आहे कुठल्याही गोष्टीची आपण जर लिखाण जर चालू केलं तर ते लिखाण एका दिवसात त्या ठिकाणी कंप्लीट होतंय का नाही. देयर आर हंड्रेड्स ऑफ इयर्स can be going to writing the regarding to information about that novel, and they also working by here. आणि ते ज्या पद्धतीने काय करतात काम करत असलेली काय दिली त्यांनी माहिती त्या ठिकाणी दिली. that stories can be coming in front of him. After that they say the thousands of years can passes by there. So the novel is the modern era usually makes of the literary prose in earlier thousands of the years, and they say this novel is the modern era. Modern era means there are the modern technique of writing things. They also prescribe in front of people. After that they say the prose of the earlier trades to judge, to find. They also give some examples by there, or some novels name also they given by there. How to that all things can be finded by there, means how to one by one sequentially the English literature can be built up by there. They also saying on it. After that they say how to this novel can be coming in front of readers. म्हणजे जे रीडर्स आहेत त्यांच्या समोर हे नॉवेल कशा पद्धतीने आलेलं आहे. हाऊ टू रायटर्स कॅन बी स्टार्टेड हिज ॲक्टिव्हिटीज. दे ऑल्सो टेल अस बाय हियर. म्हणजे जे रायटर जे आहेत त्या रायटरने त्यांच्या ज्या ॲक्टिव्हिटीज आहेत त्या कशा पद्धतीने त्या ठिकाणी स्टार्ट केल्या आहेत त्याबद्दलची काय दिलेली त्यांनी ती माहिती त्या ठिकाणी दिलेली आहे. इन दॅट दे से इन 16th century This novel can be started by here, and there are we see hundreds of years can be passes the written word, and after that some novels can be coming in front of people. 100 वर्षानंतर त्या ठिकाणी काय झाले, हा नॉवेल फॉर्म जो आहे तो नॉवेल फॉर्म त्या ठिकाणी उदयास आलाय आणि लोकांसमोर त्या ठिकाणी काय केलेला आहे आला, म्हणजे लोकांसमोर त्या ठिकाणी वाचण्यासाठी आलेला आहे. अँड व्हेन यू हॅव बीन बिल्ट अप राईट वे इन फ्रंट ऑफ पीपल्स इन 18th century. जी 18th century आहे त्या 18th century मध्ये काय झालेले, दिस नॉवेल्स कॅन बी कमिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ पीपल. लोकांसमोर त्या ठिकाणी काय ते आलेलं आहे. आणि वेन रिटन वर्क कॅन बी कम्प्लीट फर्स्ट देयर आर 4 to 5 novels कॅन बी कमिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ पीपल. म्हणजे लोकांसमोर 5 ते 6 जे नॉवेल जे आहेत ते नॉवेल्स त्या ठिकाणी आल्याची काय दिली त्यांनी ती माहिती त्या ठिकाणी दिलेली आहे. मीन्स म्हणजे त्यातून त्यांना काय सांगितलंय, व्हेरी एनीथिंग्स यू हॅव बीन गिव्हन हाऊ टू दॅट ऑल थिंग्स कॅन बी डिस्क्राइब ही ऑल्सो गिव्हिंग द इन्फॉर्मेशन. म्हणजे कुठली गोष्ट तुम्ही करताय ती कशा पद्धतीने लोकांसमोर त्या ठिकाणी आलेली असते, विच क्रायटेरिया कॅन बी अप्लाय बाय देअर, आपले क्रायटेरिया त्या ठिकाणी अवलंबिलेले असतात. त्या बाबतीतील काय दिलेली त्यांनी ती माहिती त्या ठिकाणी दिलेली. आफ्टर दॅट देयर आर अनदर एक्झाम्पल ऑल्सो दे गिवन. आफ्टर दॅट दे हॅव बीन गिवन द Indian scenario, the novelia, the elements of the novel. After that, the types of novel. That all things they also given by the history of novel, and these all things I have been studied one by one in next some lectures. Means one by one those concepts can be coming in front of you. That all concepts I also seen by here. म्हणजे ती गोष्ट त्या सर्व गोष्टी आपण एका नंतर एक काय करू त्या ठिकाणी डिस्कस करू. थँक्यू.